Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to browse in incognito mode on your iPhone. First, you will go into Safari, and then at the bottom right hand corner, you will simply click on the two boxes that you see right there, and then you're going to select private in the bottom left hand corner, and then select the plus in the middle right there, and then you can simply from there type in the website or the word that you would like to search for in private. But keep in mind that this isn't saved in your browsing history or anything like that, and it's as simple as that. And everything that you search for in this mode won't be saved on your browsing history or anything like that. Again, I want to say that.